So check out this new security camera that has amazing video quality, dual lenses for a wide field of view, all day color vision, longer battery life, and solar powered ready. It has Wi-Fi 6 for smooth 4K streaming and looks so sleek that you would think that Apple designed this. But this actually comes in from Reolink and it's the Argus 4 Pro. So let me just show you how simple it is to set this thing up and just how good the video quality looks.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name's Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way, and if you're new here, don't be a stranger. You can also hit that like button, and that does help out a lot. I'll put links to everything you see here down in the description, plus Reolink is giving a coupon code to my viewers, so I'll put that down there as well. So here is the Argus 4 Pro from Reolink, and in the box, it comes with the solar panel that plugs in via USB-C. It also has a mount for it and all the screws and connections, including a strap connection in case you want to strap this around a pole or a tree. Then under here we have the Argus 4 Pro with dual lenses, motion detection, micro SD card slot, charging port, quarter thread mount, lights, mics, and so much more that we're going to look into in a second. It also comes with all the mounts and mounting screws, including a strap for this one as well. And I love the wall mount system on this thing. It makes it super easy to get this thing up and going and adjust it to your desired angle. And also same with the solar panel with that long USB-C cord. You can set this to the best spot to get the most sunshine. In the box, there's also a quick start guide, but really setup for this thing is super easy, probably the easiest I've seen. Just download and open the free Reolink app. You literally power this thing on and it says,
"Welcome to Reolink."
Just scan the QR code on the back, add your network, and it is ready to go. It shows up on your camera list. And if you have other people you want to share it with, it is super easy to share this camera with them. Before we look at some of the other options in the app, let's just look at how good of a quality this is. Right here, this is 4K UHD quality with that 180-degree panoramic field of view. But even like your typical one lens camera, this is the shot you would get beforehand with a big one lens camera. And now look at just with this thing sitting on there, look at how much more field of view you would get. It is crazy how much you can see. So it's super wide and even high enough quality that when we zoom in just with the app, it captures so much detail. Those dual lenses stitched together look really good, and not just in the daytime, also at nighttime. So in the dark of the night, there is a motion light that we can adjust the brightness to and all of that stuff, but in full darkness, it still captures a lot of detail. And when the lights are on, it's almost as good as daytime. It's a really good tool to have in case you need to monitor what's going on outside. It does have motion alerts and can recognize humans, cars, and even pets. And that's really cool because you could set this to like not be alerted by cars, or if your dog runs in the backyard all the time and you don't want to be alerted every time he makes a motion, you can actually turn that off. Through the app, you can also talk to whoever's on the other side of the camera because there's a speaker on here, and then there's also microphones in there so that you can hear what's going on the other side. You can change the resolutions, also customize where the timestamps sit. You can turn off the watermarks, you can add a privacy mask, you can fine-tune that image stitching, adjust the brightness and color in day or nighttime. You can also mask out sections of certain objects. So if there's like a high trafficked area and you don't want to get alerted to motions every time something happens in that one spot, you can just block that out. There is a loud siren off here to scare off intruders. And with an SD card, you can also do like long form time lapses, which I have not done yet, but I want to give this a try because I feel like that's going to look really awesome. You can record it directly onto your phone, also take photos to just sit right under your phone, or you can use the SD card, or you can access their cloud service and save it all through that. But compared to even my other 4K dual lens camera, this looks really good. Just the quality looks really good on here. And not to mention just how much smaller this is, like more low profile, way more modern and sleek compared to the other ones that kind of sit out and look like a big security camera with the antennas. This does not have that. This thing is antenna free. And because it's solar powered, you can really put this anywhere you need to have access to that 180-degree field of view. This thing is a really beautiful design. And again, it looks like Apple designed this. It's just so sleek. I mean, I've been using Reolink for 3 years, and every single camera that I have, I still have. And with the app and all the quality of their cameras, I feel like it's just been a really good experience for me. So I believe it would be a good experience for you as well. And do check out the link in the description to learn more. Also, check out that coupon code if you are in the market for this. But if you want to see some of their other cameras, you could check out any of the videos that are on the screen. There's 4 of them. So you can click one of those, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.